you excited? We're going to the dog park. You look so pretty. Marvel. We have our shakes to go, which is our breakfast. And then we always put up this, this is a big pillow cover that we cut in half. And we always put it because it drools and that way the seat won't get dirty. Right? Right? We're so excited! Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So right now it's really nice and sunny, but we cannot tell like after the second half of the day because it starts raining and all that stuff. And because it has been raining past so many days, the entire day, we were not able to give Marvel his long walks. So that is why we are taking him to the dog park. Right, Marvel? We're taking him to the dog park now. He can run around, he can play. We literally woke up, freshened up, made our shake, which is cafe latte, and out the door. He is doing a little bit of work and then he'll get back with you guys. Right, Marvel? You're so pretty today. You look so pretty. You always look pretty. Anyways, let's go. Marvel!
Are you working at mom's work? Oh, favorite.
Come here! There he is. I'm enjoying my shake while he is running around. Come here! Yes! Go run around now. Right. No jumping, Marvel! Sorry!
That's okay. Come on, Dad. Marvel, come here.
Marvels!
Okay, hey.
First, come on. We are back home and he is super tired. Right, Marvel? You enjoyed running around in the puddle? Was that fun? We washed him really good before getting him back on the car and dried him off. And now he's just resting. He's done for the day.
He dried himself off by hanging his head up.
Yeah. Right. Okay, so I'm making lunch right now. We are so hungry, so we are having a little early lunch. It's just 11:40. So I'm making raita. This is a mixed raita with cucumber, onion, tomato, green chili. Yeah. And I'm gonna add some spice. And then yesterday I made turkey keema with some corn and peppers, a very healthy version. So yeah, that is the lunch, and we'll have some rice with this. And after this we're gonna go and get some stuff for hurricane preparation. So that is the plan. So everybody, if you guys are, so anybody who stays in Florida, this area, just stay safe, get prepared, and I'm sure it's not gonna be anything crazy, but still, it's always better to stay safe. So we're just gonna get some water, ready-made food to eat, like bread and all that stuff, and yeah. Rice is almost done. I'm just gonna heat up the turkey, and this turkey came out super delicious because I made this in ghee, and I also have this recipe in my cooking channel, so check this out. I'll give the link in the description box. So yeah. And also this turkey is 97% lean, so it's really healthy, full of protein. lunch is ready. We're gonna go eat our lunch and then head to Walmart to get some stuff. Okay guys, so we just came back home. We got all the stuff like water, 2 crates of water, Marvel's food, something for us like bread and all that stuff. And my god, let me show you the crate of water. It is so heavy. Okay.
It has 40 bottles of half-liter water.
Yeah, this is the one crate, 40 bottles of a half liter, Marvel's food, and then we're just drinking some coffee here.
40 liters of water.
Yeah, Marvel's food, and just something for ourselves like biscuits, not biscuits, yeah, wafers and chips and bread and all that stuff. So yeah, it was really heavy, and one more crate is over there of water. Yes. And this guy, we just got him a duck feet, which he was very excited about, right? Anyways, so all the outside work is done, like getting.
Shoot! Today's Thursday. Yeah. My session started.
Whoops! Oh, it's just 6 minutes. 6 minutes late. I was saying that all of our outside work is done. And yeah, pretty much. So this is how our day is going. When we got up this morning, like when we woke up this morning, we had no idea that we'll be rushing around to do all this stuff. But yeah, everything is done. The gas station and everything, all the stations are so full. Like we literally had to wait in the line, and then everything in the Walmart is also going out of stock. Okay guys, so I came back from the gym, and looks like the hurricane has turned officially into category 4. So I think we will have to put up the hurricane shutters.
It's still predicted to be category 4 by the time it reaches us.
Yeah, by the time it hits Florida, it's...
Since there are no lands in between,
yeah,
you can pretty much assume that it's gonna gain strength. And
yeah,
when it hits the land, then it slows it down a little bit, but there's no land in its current course.
Yeah, exactly. So I guess we'll have to put up the hurricane shutters. So we're just thinking what to do, what not to do, and all that stuff. And right now I'm giving food to Marvel. Coming. Food is coming. He gets so excited when it's his dinner time. By the way, for all the new followers, if you guys do not know, we feed Marvel raw food, and if you want to know more about this food, there's a vlog, you can check that out. I'll give the link in the description, so you'll know the benefits and everything of why we feed him raw food. So for dinner, he's gonna get chicken neck, 2 chicken neck with 2 cups of chicken blend, which is full of veggies and chicken, with some pumpkin. And this pumpkin has, like, the ingredient is just pumpkin, organic pumpkin, so no other ingredient in that, no artificial flavors and colors and all this stuff. And then some goat milk right here. This is animal goat milk, not human one. We get it from the animal store. And he loves this food. I mean, every time he eats this food, he goes crazy, and he never gets bored of it.
Oh man, we are officially kicking into hurricane preparedness.
Yep. We'll again go to Publix after we give Marvel a walk, so that we get some more food. Because we went to Walmart that time and we were like, nah, it's not gonna do anything. We'll just pick up one bread and this and that. But now it looks like we need to pick up some more stuff.
Hurricane Dorian, 57 minutes ago, it is now predicted to hit Florida as category 4.
Yeah, so. And the eye of the hurricane is like passing very close to our place.
Yeah, we'll be in deep vortex.
We'll be in?
We'll be in the vortex.
Okay.
The
eye vortex. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, gotta prepare ourselves. We went to Walmart and almost everything was empty. Now let's go and now evening we'll be going to Publix and seeing, let's see what all they have left. In the bread section, I wish I could record it. I totally forgot. The entire bread section was empty.
Breads are gone, chips are gone.
Yeah, bread and chips.
Gas is on the verge of being gone.
Yeah, thank God water was there because it's like still 2 more days for the hurricane to hit, so water was still there. But if you go on a Saturday, just before a day or Sunday before the hurricane, it's not gonna be there. I mean, it's gonna be there, but they limit it to 2 bottles per family or person.
Yeah,
2 crates.
1 crate per person.
1 crate per person. So if you go now, you can at least get 4 or 5 or how much ever you want. Okay, done. So this is how his food looks like when he gets dinner. You can see it looks delicious. It's how you what?
Sorry, I was gonna say they are predicting it will become category 2 tomorrow.
Okay.
And then over next 2 days it will become category 4.
Okay.
So let's see if it becomes category 2 tomorrow.
Let's go. Look at his face, he's drooling already. Marvel, sit. Stay. Stay. Oklahoma. Texas. Avocado. Okay. See, he listens to the command. He knows okay means he can eat. Even if I say like any other, even if I say any other name like Oklahoma or in that tone, like okay, Oklahoma, Texas or something, he doesn't eat it because he knows the command okay. So he'll eat only when I say okay. My good boy. Anyways, we'll take him for a walk before it starts raining, and then head to Publix. This section, it was the water packs and they are all done. See, now water limits in place is like 2 packs for I think per person, or 4 gallons you can only take per customer. So you can see all the water gone.
They're pretty full still.
They came for bread and then again bread is gone. Literally all the breads are gone. Oh, yeah, and they even have that Italian toast, baby, like how the one we eat. I think they have bread, some bread. Like literally, there are no breads over here. I don't know where we should go and find bread now. See, the muffins are here, rest, everything is gone. So this happened. Yeah, we actually came for bread. Okay guys, we are back home making dinner, and yes, we are all prepared with food and water for the hurricane.
And we'll do a final vlog.
Yeah, when we put up the shutters and everything, we'll definitely show you, so do not worry about us. And if you guys stay in Florida, stay safe. What is it saying?
Better be safe than sorry.
Better be safe than sorry. I absolutely forgot the saying.
Even if you think that the hurricane is gonna move north or down or off the coast, like it has moved
Last
before,
time?
please be safe.
Yeah.
That's what we are trying to go for.
Yes.
So stay safe, stay dry, and we'll see you in another vlog when we are all set for the Hurricane Dorian.
Yeah, we'll show you the final hurricane setup for.
Yeah. And walk you through an experience. We are gonna shoot us in total darkness, locked inside the house.
Yeah, because
have nothing to do.
Yeah, there'll be no outside light coming because we'll put up the shutters.
Yeah.
So
we'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.